guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a Chevy Cruze guys, and we'll show you how to remove or how to replace your air filter box, the whole box assembly. So stay with us guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on this car. Our goal guys is to save you as much money as we can by teaching you guys how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, like and subscribe. So we're working on the 1.8 engine here guys, but we'll be adding a 1.4 to our collection soon as well. All the mechanical videos will be on this channel, the electrical videos and testing things will be on our new channel, Electrical Car Repair Live. Please check it out. So let's go ahead and start on removing the air filter box, okay, which is located right here. So guys, what we need to do first, okay, right here we need to disconnect if you have a hose for your secondary air pump. Okay, these two places you need to squish in. It's going to spread out on this side and we can pull it out. Okay, like that. Okay, check out how it spreads out. The teeth are right here. Now, we need a flathead screwdriver. We're going to get that clamp loose now for the intake manifold. Okay, let me just install this one where it's supposed to be, so I'll show you how to remove it. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, now we can pull that hose out. Okay, like that. Right here now guys, okay, I'm going to grab, okay, and pull it out. There is one tooth holding. And we need to disconnect the MAF sensor. Okay, underneath you have one white thing that you need to pull this way. Then push in. Okay, and pull it out, okay. Red thing, not white. So you can see when it's locked in place, okay, that thing is all the way in, so we need to push it out to be able to remove it. Now, okay, let's see what else is holding that box. I think it's just a couple rubber bushings. You grab it with your hands. Okay, let's see if we have anything on the back. Like that. And you guys grab it. Okay, and here we have one more hose that we need to disconnect. Okay, one little hose and pull it out. Now, where are the rubber bushings that I'm talking about? Okay, looking at the box, this is on the front side, this is a rubber bushing, this is on the back side. Those are the only things holding your air filter box guys in the car, and from that point on it just goes in the fender like that. So you can see it just came out like that. So that's how you guys remove it. Thank you for watching. Putting it together is in reverse order. We took it apart, and see you guys next time.